Hello, we are Team 8112, and this is our application, CapVote. CapVote is a web application designed to make it easy for teams during the Computer Science Design Expo to be voted on for the best team. The Capstone Design Expo will occur at the end of the semester, and each team will be presenting their project that they've been working on for the past couple of months. We tried to make it as simple and as easy as possible for users to be able to do this, and here's some progress that we've made during Sprint 1. Our client is Dr. Bob Waters, and here is our iteration plan that we agreed on with him. Our first sprint includes user login and the database setup, and the two stories are user registration and user login. During this sprint, we decided to use Google's OAuth2 login system to handle our logins. The reasons we decided on this system was due to the fact that Google is secure and that it handles all of the private data for us so that we aren't able to see passwords, have to handle emails, or handle data security. It's simple. Since most users will already have a Google account, we don't have to reset up those, or users have to go through a long, complicated form process to actually be able to use their account, and it's familiar. Users just have to hit the simple Google Plus icon that they're familiar with on other websites and then be taken seamlessly to a login page. With registration and login being tied into the same system, it will be easier than ever for users to get quickly up and voting on the projects. Now, with a little bit of background on our project, we're going to go ahead and transition to our user demo. As we discussed in our presentation, this first story is going to cover logging in and registering. With the use of the Google OAuth2 login system, these two things are going to be combined. As you can see on our screen, we are currently at the login page. As you can see on the right-hand side of the screen, this is a snapshot view of our database with a live preview. This shows our user table, so we can show that when users are logging in and they're registering. Currently, we are going to add a new user to this database. I'm going to go ahead and click the Google Plus icon to log in. This is going to take us to the Google login system, where I can then create a new account on our system. This current version has not been added to our login system, as you can see here. By clicking on my icon, it seamlessly logs us into the CapVote software. This occurs on the right-hand side of the screen, as you can see here, as now we have a new user who has just been added to the system. It is also seamless to log out of the system. By hitting the logout system, it deletes it from the sessions, and then we're then able to log in as a completely new user. These two systems work seamlessly alongside each other so that registration and login is as simple as possible. As we assume that most users will have a Google account, it will be rather trivial for them to take part of our voting system. And if users do not have a voting account, they can go into the Google system, click here, and click Add an Account so that they can create a Google Plus account to then be able to use our system.